In today's video, I'll teach you how to pay with Klarna on Amazon. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Klarna application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see the popular stores. If you see the option for Amazon, tap on it. If you do not see it over here, tap on this option, view all, that you can see on the screen. Now, you'll be able to view all the stores over here. Right over here, what you have to do is find the option for Amazon and tap on it. Now you'll be able to continue to Amazon.com. In order to pay online with Klarna, you can see over here, first of all, you'll have to create a one-time card. You can use it at checkout like a normal card, and after you do that, you'll be able to place your order at Amazon. So simply tap on this option, continue to Amazon.com. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the Amazon.com. Now over here, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, pay with Klarna. Now after you do that, you'll have to sign in to your account. Tap on this option, sign in, and make sure to sign in to your account. After you signed into your account, in the checkout, you'll be redirected to create a one-time card. Follow through the prompts and simply create the one-time card. Now you'll be able to use that card at the checkout. So in the checkout interface, you'll be able to use that card in order to pay. So like this, you'll be able to pay with Klarna. So that is how you pay with Klarna on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.